Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. My name is Farkhanda and today I'm making a very popular dish called chicken karahi. Karahi is basically a South Asian wok. To make the karahi chicken, we need 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken, which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. Besides the chicken, we need half a cup oil, 2/3 cup tomato puree, 1/3 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon each crushed ginger and crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of dry fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon black pepper crushed, half a teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds which have been roasted and ground, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds that have been roasted and ground, half a lemon, 2-inch piece of ginger cut into strips, 3 chillies sliced thinly, handful of coriander leaves which have been chopped. I put the wok on high heat and put the half cup of oil in it. It's going to take about half a minute for the oil to heat up properly. The oil has heated up and now we are going to add the 2 pounds of boneless chicken in it. At the same time, we'll add the crushed ginger and the garlic to it and mix it well and then cook it. Up till now, the flame is on high and most of the cooking will be done on high heat. The chicken has been cooking for the last 5 minutes and now we are going to add the salt, the turmeric, the black pepper, and then stir it, mix well, and keep on cooking on high heat. It has been cooking now for 3 minutes. At this stage, we are going to add the chili flakes and tomato puree. If you're adding fresh tomatoes, they will be put at this stage as well. They will have to be peeled and crushed. As you can see, the chicken has released its moisture and the tomatoes will release their moisture as well. So all this liquid has to be cooked out. So we are going to constantly stir it and still it has been cooking on high heat. It has been cooking for 5 minutes now. At this stage, we are going to add our 1/3 cup of yogurt, and while putting the yogurt in, we have to constantly stir it so it does not curdle. As you can see, everything is mixed well and it has been cooking for about a minute now and it's still on high heat. We are now going to cover the chicken and turn the heat to medium and keep on cooking for about 8 minutes, and in the meantime I kept on checking so that chicken does not burn. I checked it at least 2 or 3 times. After the 8 minutes, this is how the chicken looks. There's a lots of moisture which needs to be cooked out. So we are going to turn the heat back onto high and keep on cooking it so that the moisture is evaporated. The chicken has been cooking now for about a couple of minutes and the water is evaporating. Now we are going to add the 1 tablespoon of ground cumin seeds and the 1 tablespoon of ground coriander seeds, and we'll mix it well and keep on cooking still on high heat. As you can see by now, the water has evaporated and it has released some oil. At this stage, we are going to add the fenugreek leaves which are dried. Now we are going to add the chopped green coriander, the green chilies, and half a lemon. We are going to mix it well. After adding the coriander, the chilies, and the lemon, it has been cooking now for about 2 minutes. Our chicken is now done. So let's serve. Before serving, we are going to add our finely sliced ginger, some more fresh chopped coriander, and some chopped chilies for garnish. And our chicken is ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.